Okay, so I've got a bit of problem with the heat out of my PC. It's got a stock Intel cooler. I bought one of these. You see it taking the thermal paste off. I thought this might be able to just act as a passive cooler, but it doesn't fit inside the motherboard. So in the end I thought, well, I'll buy one of these. I got some more SATA cables because I have SATA drives in there, but with the old Molex. I got some more thermal paste, but I think this already comes with it. See what's inside this box. It's supposed to be recommended by Amazon. You know, don't know what that means these days. Hang on, let me just open it up. Oh, that was difficult to get undone. Unclick, unlock chill force here. What that means. Have a quick look. Some instructions. Let's throw this stuff out. Whoops. Alright, oh there we are. So that's a much bigger cooler than that one. Fair enough. I can't remember how much this was. I'll look it up. Ew, that's interesting. Oh, there's a fan as well. Okay, fair enough. I didn't know it came with a fan. Oh, there's a whole load of mounting hardware here. Is the thermal paste in there? Oh yeah, there is a little bit there, look. I do like this stuff though, so I might use that anyway. Okay, I'm going to read the instructions and see what I've got to do. Okay, you see it says an 11.5x, this is 1155, so that's the sort of bracket we need for it. And what does that say? We need the special bracket one way round, we need some header pins, and we need some bolts, and then we put the paste on the processor, screw it in, and that's that. So we'll give that a go. Actually, looking on, you see there's a picture of like the little RAM slot there and the RAM. I've got to take the motherboard out of the actual case, so I'll finish this video here and I'll do that later. But that's a pain. I guess it makes sense because it needs to connect on, and the existing one is some Intel thing that's got little connectors that push in, and they actually broke off, and I bought new ones and fixed them on. But it's not really producing the cooling I want. It was 103 degrees. I mean, I could just put more paste on temporarily, but I'll do it that way, and I'll make another video later when I fit this thing.